Let's go ahead and create an airplane. Come over here to your toolbox to a rectangle tool. Click, hold, release your mouse and pick up your ellipse tool. Come back to your workspace. Click and drag out an ellipse, kind of like this. Release mouse. Let's come back to our toolbox to our ellipse tool. Click, hold, release mouse to pick up your polygon tool. Let's come back here, click once. Go ahead and make this polygon three-sided to create a triangle and then click OK. We want to make some changes to this triangle. So let's go ahead and pick up our direct selection tool and deselect. Let's come over here. Now let's select it. And as you can see, of course, I want to select a certain anchor now. So I'm going to come up here and select this anchor alone. Now I want to move this anchor over here a little bit. So I want to change this triangle and make it a right angle triangle. So with my direct selection tool, hover over this anchor, click, hold down my mouse and shift key and move away over here until it is a right angle triangle right there. Release mouse, then shift key. Then I want to select this anchor alone and make a little change, drag it down a little bit. So I'm going to click and just drag it down over here that much. Now I'm going to go ahead and deselect. Again with my direct selection tool, I'm going to select this triangle, go to any one of these corners, click, and change the radius from the circle responsible for changing radius. Right there. Release mouse, and then deselect. Now I'm going to pick up my selection tool. Select this object, come over here to this edge for example, click, hold down Shift and Alt key and downsize it about this much. Release mouse, then keyboard. With my selection tool, I'm going to click and bring it over here. Just a little bit inside here. Right there. It's a good location. Release mouse. Now, let's go ahead and make a copy of this one. So click, hold down Shift and Alt key and move down about here. And then let's come over here to this edge with our selection tool. Click, hold down Shift key and downsize it about this much right there. Release mouse, then Shift key. Then with your mouse, click and bring this object and make it line up, of course, with the center for the body of this airplane right there. As you can see, the edge is lined up with the center. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in a little bit. We want to bring it down a little bit so it can cover basically the edge down here. So with my selection tool, I'm going to click, hold down Shift key and move down. Drag it down right here. About this much. And then release my mouse, then my Shift key and deselect. Now let's go ahead and zoom out. Now with your selection tool, click, drag to select all these objects. Right click, all the way down to transform, select the command reflect. Make the axis vertical and then click copy. On this copy, click, hold Shift key and move to the other side and place it right there, so basically it can be symmetrical. Release mouse, then Shift key, go ahead and deselect. And now for the final step. Click, drag to select all these objects, all the way up to Window, all the way down to Pathfinder. Select the command Unite and close your Pathfinder. And as you can see, this is now one object and it can be changed as one object airplane.